Every YouTube guru on this platform has told you the same fairy tale. Start a faceless channel, post a few cartoon videos, sit back, and boom. Thousands of dollars while you sleep. No face, no camera, no shame. Just pure passive income raining from the algorithm gods. I heard that pitch about 100 times, and instead of being smart and ignoring it like a normal person, I thought, you know what? Let's find out if this is real, or if it's just another guru selling dreams wrapped in a Canva template. So 4 months ago, I built a faceless channel. I posted like a maniac for 30 days straight. Well, straight is generous. I got a little inconsistent because apparently discipline is hard. Who knew? But I still managed to grind out 8 videos in 30 days, which for a guy running 4 other channels at the same time, is honestly a small miracle. Let me show you exactly what happened. All of it. The good, the bad, and the what YouTube did to me. First, I had to pick a niche. I went with finance because nothing says, trust me with your money, like a guy who's never shown his face. I decided to do it in 2D animation, the same style as channels like Crayon Capital and Casual Finance, because if it works for them, surely it'll work for me. That's how business works, right? Copy the winners and pray. Next, I needed a character. Not me, obviously. That would defeat the entire purpose of faceless. So I created a cartoon version of myself. Same energy, zero camera shyness, infinitely more patient with my terrible ideas than I am. Step 2. I already had a topic in mind, the kind of explain like I'm 5 content that does numbers on this style of channel. I went with how Bitcoin actually works because nothing screams beginner-friendly finance content like trying to explain Bitcoin to people who still don't understand their own bank statements. Now for the script. Because apparently I don't write my own scripts anymore. I went to ChatGPT and asked it to write me an 8-minute script on how Bitcoin works. It asked who the video was for, and I said, complete beginners, because let's be honest, that's most of YouTube. Then I picked story-driven documentary. And just like that, ChatGPT handed me a full script, complete with a hook. It wrote a better hook than most humans manage in a year. Slightly humbling. Moving on. From there, the process is simple, and I'm not going to drag this out into a 40-minute tutorial. You take that script, generate the voiceover using 11 Labs, and animate it using any AI tool with basic prompts. If you want the full step-by-step breakdown, drop a comment, and maybe I'll suffer through making that video too. I started this channel back in March, and on purpose, I didn't check the analytics obsessively. I wanted to actually give it a real, honest 100% effort before I came crying to you with the results. So here we are. Real footage, real numbers, no cap, as the kids say. And yes, I hate that I just said that. Channel created March 7th, 2026. Let's open the coffin and see what's inside. Video 1, 32 views, 1.6 hours of watch time. But hey, 1 subscriber and a real one, not my alt account pretending to care. YouTube gave it a whopping 57 impressions, which is basically nothing. YouTube looked at my video and said, meh. But here's the twist. The click-through rate was 40%. For context, a genuinely great video usually sits around 10 to 15%. So the few people who did see it actually wanted to click on it. YouTube just refused to show it to anyone. Classic. Video 2, uploaded March 23rd, 49 views, 1.7 hours watch time. Fine for a baby channel. This time YouTube actually showed up to work. 441 impressions, a 7.7% click-through rate. Decent. Nothing to frame and hang on the wall, but decent. 31 unique viewers. Engagement, however, was mid at best. Video 3, uploaded April 4th, 33 views, 2 hours watch time, 0 subscribers because apparently people watched and left without so much as a thanks for the info. Impressions were actually solid at 4,403, but the click-through rate crashed to 4.7%. Translation: my thumbnail was doing absolutely nothing for me. Video 4, 1.2K impressions, which sounds great until you see 41 views and a 2% click-through rate. That's not a thumbnail problem, that's a thumbnail crime scene. And to be fair, I still haven't fully solved this. I've gotten better. Better is doing a lot of heavy lifting in that sense. Video 5, 1.9 thousand impressions, 2.6% click-through rate, 60 views. Progress if you squint. Video 6, 251 impressions, 1.6% click-through rate. We're not going to talk about this one for too long. Some children just aren't meant to be spoken of. Now, you're probably wondering why I posted so inconsistently, like some part-time YouTuber who can't commit. Truth is, animating these videos takes real time, and I was juggling 3 or 4 other channels simultaneously, doing everything solo. Without any team, editor, just me, a laptop, and questionable sleep habits. The shorts, and I also posted 2 shorts, almost as an afterthought. One pulled 459 views, The other pulled 1,000 views and quietly handed me 3 subscribers, more than several of my full-length videos combined. One of these shorts alone bumped my subs up to 15. 2 vertical videos I barely thought about outperformed weeks of animated effort. The algorithm has a sense of humor, and it's not a kind one. So, should you actually do this in 2026? Yes, 100% yes. Here's the thing, YouTube was giving my videos impressions. It was willing to show my content to people. My problem wasn't the platform, it was execution. My click-through rate was inconsistent, my watch duration was mediocre, and my thumbnails ranged from acceptable to actively repelling viewers. If you go into this niche with better animation, sharper positioning, and thumbnails that actually make people stop scrolling, you're already ahead of where I started. If you're using AI to generate thumbnails, don't half-ask it. Write a proper, detailed prompt. The difference between a 2% and a 10% click-through rate is often just that one extra sentence of effort. So if you're thinking about starting a faceless finance channel, go for it, but go all in. Half effort gets you half a channel and a graveyard of 30 view videos. And remember, if Dodo can do it, so can you.